The journey of the smart refrigerator begins with high-grade steel. Tons of steel are flattened for the refrigerator chassis.
Cut to precise dimensions for the refrigerator shell.
Folded into a rigid U-shaped refrigerator body. The refrigerator interior begins as high-impact plastic, heated until pliable. Vacuum forming sculpts the refrigerator interior. Trimming the refrigerator liner for a perfect fit. The refrigerator's inner and outer worlds are joined. Locked in a jig to withstand pressure. Polyurethane insulation is injected into the refrigerator walls. Expanding to fill every void in the refrigerator cabinet. Solidifying into a rigid thermal barrier for the fridge. Transforming the refrigerator into a solid structural unit. The heart of the refrigerator cooling system is born. A high-precision pump for the refrigerator. Copper vanes to dissipate refrigerator heat. Sealed with fire to prevent leaks.
The refrigerator engine room is installed.
Charged with the lifeblood of cooling.
Ensuring a hermetic seal for the refrigerator.
Refrigerator doors must be elegant, yet tough. A window into the cold world. The refrigerator becomes a digital command center. Precision hinges carry the weight of the refrigerator doors. Aligned to the millimeter. A refrigerator interior designed for organization. The brain sits at the crown of the refrigerator. The smart refrigerator is complete. But functionality must be proven. Electrical safety is paramount. First breath of power. Fighting against extreme heat. Thermodynamics in action. Simulating a lifetime of usage. The refrigerator ice maker is verified.
Powerful, yet silent.
Smart features are calibrated. Polished to a mirror finish. Protected for the journey. A fortress of cardboard. Encased for global travel. Millions of units awaiting dispatch. Ready to become the heart of a home. Crossing oceans to bring the smart refrigerator to the world. The refrigerator fleet moves across continents. The heavy refrigerator arrives at its destination.
A monumental addition to the home.
Unveiling the stainless steel monolith.
Revealing the pristine refrigerator finish.
A cavernous space for preservation.
The smart refrigerator awakens. Intelligence comes online.
See inside the refrigerator without losing cold air.
AI cameras track your refrigerator inventory. Filtered water and ice on demand. Humidity control keeps food fresh longer. Deep freeze technology preserves flavor. metal cooling locks in the refrigerator temperature.
Powerful cooling, whisper quiet.
Control your refrigerator from anywhere.
A beacon in the heart of the home.
The refrigerator that helps you cook.
More than an appliance, a family hub.
From cold steel
To sculpted form. Insulated for efficiency. Point powered by a precision heart.
assembled with passion.
Rama. Hanuman, the monkey god, is a central figure in the epic Ramayana. He is known for his strength, loyalty, and
delivered to the world. The AI Smart Refrigerator.
Elevate your kitchen!
Sustainable cooling for a better future.
Reliability guaranteed. Customizable to your style.
Innovation starts with people.
Preserving freshness globally. Refreshment redefined. Seamless design integration.
The heart of the home.
Smart maintenance alerts.
Efficient even when you're away.
From our factory to your family.
Subscribe for more technology journeys.